Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating a radio out of a 65 Corvair. This comes from Mark in Olathe, Kansas. I hope I'm pronouncing the city correctly, Olathe, Kansas. This radio was previously converted in 2012, so it went for 10 years before it needed service again. That's not bad at all. So I just basically put another board in there, and the same way the other one was installed, using the same connector that was originally installed, because thankfully that connector matches up with the current conversion module. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I've got it set to AM at the moment, so we can run through some tests.
He's doing what he's doing. They keep calling him a madman. He's not a madman.
Okay, well, while we're on talk radio, let's test the virtual balance and fader functions.
He's made aggressive moves in Georgia.
Virtual
aggressive moves in
front rear
Ukraine.
fader.
He's made aggressive moves in Kazakhstan.
Fader adjust.
Been very
Okay,
clear
so
about
now
it.
our
He said it
same
over
control
and
is
over
adjusting
again.
our front
And
rear
in
speaker
believing,
balance.
He is revivifying a belief in the
Okay,
Russian
I'm gonna
people.
center him.
Because the fact is that since the end,
Fader set.
a
Okay,
tremendous amount of
left-right
nostalgia
balance.
in the former Soviet Union for the.
Balance adjust.
However, we may
All the
not
way
understand
left,
it. The
all the
reality
way
is
right,
Stalin was
left,
extraordinarily
right.
popular
Okay,
in
I'm
polls
going
in
to center
Russia.
them.
As of 20%
Balance set.
of Russians
Okay,
approve
now
of
we
Joseph
can switch to
Stalin's role in
FM.
Russian history.
Which we do by turning it on, off, and then right back on within about half a second. I have all the presets set to FM stations in my area, so we can get through this quickly and not stay on one station too long and get nailed for some copyright issue. So here we go, off, on. Okay, now we're on FM. We'll just run through all the presets.
Breast cancer that has spread to other parts of the body.
Great cowboy food. Downtown Prescott.
NBC as the first.
Okay, so that's pretty much it. There's not much to test on a radio only unit. There's no 8-track to test. There's no Bluetooth or USB or anything like that. So she's ready to go. The dial light comes on with the radio. The one thing that I noticed is that the previous conversion, they did not include a ground wire in the connector. It's not a big deal because the unit gets its ground from being mounted to the car frame anyway. But I still like to add a ground wire, and the reason for that is it enables you to operate the radio without it being installed in the dash. But I didn't want to disturb the customer's original wiring. So if it was working fine before, it'll work fine again now without that ground wire, because again, it does get its ground connection from being mounted to the car frame. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and my website and phone number are in the description below. I do ask all customers to visit my website before calling me with a 15-minute barrage of questions about what all do you do, how much does it cost. That's all going to be on my website, and please get that information before calling me, so that it's a 5-minute conversation and not a 15-minute conversation in which I'm explaining the same things over and over and over to each new customer. There's just no need for that when that time could be spent on my top quality workmanship. So that being stated, thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Mark, for your business all the way from Kansas, and we'll see you guys next time.